Hello, girl. How you doing, huh? Hi. Oh, you're all puffed up like a little puffball. Are you staying warm that way? Okay, Grumpy. If you say so. Wishful thinking. First, we have to do the basics. Secure the door. Yes, dear. Not like it was yesterday. We hear you, Mary. Yes, we hear you. You don't say. Okay, let's put this inside. Honey, where are you going? You just don't want to go in, do you? Okay, let me check the temp, okay? Honey, it may be 39 now, but it's going to be 32. Cold enough to snow, and they keep saying it's going to snow. It might just do it tonight. I hear ya, but you have to go inside. You have to go inside the coop tonight, okay? So there's warmth in numbers. Hello, girls. We're going to get your sister in, and then I'm going to put it in the tube. Go on. Scoot your boot. Oh, my word. And they are dirty, because I forgot to put... Shoot. Is this going to work? That is very, very dirty. Mary's, Flora's, Roses. I know. Hold on. We got you. We got you. Yeah. It's okay. That's a good girl. Your crop feels good. Yeah. You're doing good. Okay, ladies, sleep well. See you in the morning, okay? Sweet peas. Turn around. Not that way. Goofies. All right. Love you. And I'll see you guys in the morning. Until next time. Get that in there. Bye-bye.